Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, because I make videos daily. Matter of fact, videos 3 times a day, so you don't want to miss it. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I value your time. I'm not going to waste it with a bunch of stuff, a bunch of fluff. I'm going to give you all stuff and no fluff. Okay, so go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions while you're on the channel today, go ahead and put that in the comment section. If you have any opinions, advice, go ahead and do that as well. We're going to be talking about the Signature Federal Credit Union Quick Loan and a couple of their other products that they have to help you get quick funding quick with no credit check. Okay, so we're going to talk about that, but before we do, shout outs to the Radical Marketer community. You guys are making this channel be one of the fastest growing YouTube channels on YouTube, and it's because of you, and I really appreciate it. All of you guys as well, join the private Facebook group. The link is in the description below. It's free to join, and you can have all of your questions answered about credit, and there is a ton of gems being dropped in there, and there's some credit ballers in there that know more than I know. So you guys want to be a part of that, and check that out. Guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about Signature Federal Credit Union. They have an amazing quick loan that you don't have to get a credit check for. A lot of you guys have asked me to do some of these payday alternatives with how can I get a no credit check loan. And there's ways to do that, and it's through credit unions, okay? First of all, it's building the relationship with the credit union, getting your foot in the door, and then being able to get high credit card funding, basically high limits on credit cards, getting personal loans, lines of credit, quick loans when you need it, and in case of an emergency or a holiday season. So Signature Federal Credit Union, I've done a lot of videos on them already. Check out my channel. Check out the playlist. You guys can see a bunch of those as far as all the credit unions. But I've done several videos on Signature Federal Credit Union. This is my last one for the time being, because I'm going to be moving on to other institutions. But they have some amazing products, as you can see, from the business side, from the personal side. Check out my overall video on Signature Federal Credit Union. You can learn all about it. They got disaster relief loans, all of it, okay? But let's jump right into it. The Express loan is going to be, first of all, you got to be a member of 6 months in good standing. How do you become a member? Well, it's open nationwide. You don't have to be military. This credit union is based in Alexandria, Virginia, which is Northern Virginia, right outside of Washington, D.C., our nation's capital. But you can be in Alaska, you can be in California, you can be in Nevada, New Mexico, Texas. You can join right online, and you join by just joining an affiliation with the credit union. It's super easy to do. Then you can set up a checking and a savings account. You can set up direct deposit. You can put some money in there, and then you can start applying for loans, lines of credit, whatever you want to do, credit cards. But you would need to be with the credit union for at least 6 months before you would qualify for this specific product, okay? So you need to be with them for 6 months. You can't be currently in bankruptcy. You're not past due on any current or previous Signature FCU loans. You have to have direct deposit set up. You can only have one Signature Express loan per household. And your previous Signature Express loan has to have been paid in full. We do not check credit for the Signature Express loan, okay? Just so you guys know right there. So super convenient. It's going to be a lot like DCU. DCU, you guys can check out that video. It requires 3 months, and then 6 months they'll do $2,000. 3 months they'll do $1,000. Here it's $1,000 for 6 months. But hey, why not have both institutions, and then you have $1,000, and you can have a $3,000 loan if you need to without a credit check. That's a super dope way to leverage money quickly, okay, without having all these inquiries and things like that, okay? Now, what does the application look like? Let's look at it here. Boom. The signature, here you go. Signature Express Quick Loan. Once you've been a member for 6 months, your interest rate's going to be a little bit high, okay? But it's an alternative to a payday loan. Basically, you can only borrow $1,000, and that is the amount that you'd be financing, okay? So, and then you can set up monthly payments, bi-weekly, or semi-monthly, whatever the case is, okay? But you guys have the total option to do it. I love Signature Federal Credit Union. What I love about them too is, if we were to go over here, besides this fast cash loan that I was talking about, You can also do a secured loan, which is kind of like a pledge loan with Navy Federal. A lot of these credit unions are going to have these shared secured loans. What are they? I'm going to tell you, because if you're looking for this type of loan, you may also be looking for pledge loans to build credit. So if you're looking to build credit, restore credit quickly, you want to be doing relationship with credit unions, at least 5 to 10 credit unions. Pick them, look on my channel, see which ones interest you, go join them and start building a relationship with them. Why? Because they are the institutions that help people with bad credit, fair credit, get high access to funding. And then as your credit grows, you'll be able to get more funding, because credit unions are owned by members, not by shareholders. So it's not corporate America. This is like you and me owning parts of the credit union. So you can get flexible terms, you can get creative financing, and the more relationship that you have, the higher limits and the higher approvals that you'll get with the credit union. Okay. But basically, what a secured loan is saying, hey, if you got $3,000 in a savings account right now, why not move it into Signal or any credit union? Open up a secured loan where they're going to give you the loan for the amount that you're bringing to the table. So if you're bringing $3,000 in most cases, they'll give you a loan for $3,000. And once that $3,000 is paid off, then you'll get your $3,000 back. And it's a trade line that reports. So you almost want to get the maximum amount. See, I'm giving you guys the plug and the play here. You guys want to get the maximum loan amount, pay 70 to 80% of it down right away. So then your loan is only reporting that you have 30 to 20% left. You get some of your money back, and you have a loan that reports for 2, 3, 4, 5 years with a 70 to 80% payoff. And it looks super legit on your credit report. And these are the ways that you can structure your credit profile without having to do a bunch of authorized user accounts and risk getting your identity stolen or getting ripped off. There's a lot of shady game in the authorized user. I'm not hating on people that sell them, because I know a lot of people that do, and they're ethical people. But you get mixed up with the wrong person doing the wrong thing, you get set back a long way. And so this whole channel is to teach you financial literacy, how to get access to credit funding quickly. But let's go back to this, guys. You guys can literally get 1,000 here, boom, and a 2,000 with DCU. Have two relationships with the banks, let it season for 6 months, and bam, you get $3,000. What can $3,000 do for you? Well, it can help you pay off a credit card so you don't have high interest credit card debt. It can help you cover a loan a rental payment if you need to. So it's really cool. And like I said, they have a lot of different products out there, and they're a great credit union. Like I said, you can join it without being a member of anything. You don't ever have to step foot in there. Look at the auto loans, 2% on an auto loan. That's pretty good. 8.7% on a credit card. That's pretty good. So binge watch all the playlists. Let me know what you think about Signature Federal Credit Union. Would you guys bank with them? If so, why? If not, why? Put a question, anything. Just interact with the video. Smash the like button. Throw a comment so that other people can see this video, because when you interact with this video, it tells YouTube it's a video that needs to be seen. I'm bringing you 3 videos a day. I'm serving you with value. Do that for me. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. And join the private Facebook group. Let me know what you guys think about Signature. Can't wait to hear your guys' thoughts. Love you guys. Take care.